In this video, I will show you how to remove home address in Google Maps. To get started, open up the Google Maps app on your device. Now, look for your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access a menu with various options related to your account. From this menu, select Settings. Once you're on the Settings page, scroll down until you find an option called Edit Home or Work. Tap on this option, and you'll be presented with any addresses you've previously set as home or work. Now that you're in this section, locate the entry labeled Home. To remove it, tap on the three little dots next to Home. This action will reveal additional options for managing this address. Here's where it gets simple, tap Remove Home. And just like that, your home address has been successfully removed from Google Maps. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.